Hello, my name is Ira, a founder of Ryze AI, and today I'll show you how you can connect your Google Ads and Meta Ads with Claude. So you can manage and analyze your campaigns from Claude. For example, if your agency have hundreds of accounts, you can ask what's going on across all accounts at once. Then you can do changes in your account, like just actual changes from chat. For example, you can ask Claude stop all underperforming creatives, and it will do it for you. Or you can attach images and videos and ask it to put it in the right ads and ad groups, and it will do it for you. I also show you how you can schedule actions in Claude, so it will run almost on autopilot. For example, you can ask it, do this churn cleanup every Friday, or stop all underperforming ads every Monday, or generate for me client report on state of ad account like every Wednesday. So let's have a look how you can do that. Firstly, you need to connect your Google and Meta ads with Claude. I'll show you two ways. For free, and how you can do it in one click via Ryze AI. To do it for free, you need to go to your Google Ads, go to your NMCC, go in center in API settings, apply for API access, then you need to apply for basic access, and you get API key for your ad account. The process will take like 1-2 days. Then, as you have API key, you need to give it to Claude, and Claude will show the guide how you can set up authentication and get access to all your account. In this way, you can get read and write access. And yeah, also there are like several other MCP connectors on the market, but all other connectors, they give you only read access. You cannot do like any actions via these connectors, and the Ryze AI is the only connector between Google and Meta Ads and Claude, via which you also can do changes. To connect your Google and Meta Ads with Claude via Ryze AI, put your email here. Then you can start free trial. You will have one big free trial where you can test our connector. You get access to our Claude connector portal. Here you can connect Google Ads, Meta Ads in one click. It's really like one-click connection. Then you need to connect everything to your Claude. To connect everything to your Claude, you copy this MCP link. Go to Claude. Go to settings, connectors, add custom connector, Ryze AI, put MCP link here, then important step. You need to generate secret key here. You go to Ryze, generate connection key, Ryze demo. Generate it, put in the first field, click add, and everything be connected. Click connect. Perfect, it's connected now. Now you can click configure. In configure, you can always allow all actions, but it may be a little bit dangerous, because in this way, Claude will do some changes in your account and you may not notice that. So I would recommend start without approving all actions, and over time, then you get some experience how to manage your ad accounts with AI. You can approve like always allow, and it would do most of the changes on autopilot. So as soon as you connect your Google and Meta Ads to Claude, like the first thing that you can do, just ask it to check the full account and do full account audit. So account audit is ready. Let's have a look at this. It audited both our Google and Meta Ads, do cross-platform audit, checked all main categories which human marketers typically check. So you can see it here. Have a look at data for the last 19 days. And by the way, if you need like different structure of audit or different sections, or your agent specialized, for example, on consumer, and need to have deeper look at shopping specific campaigns, you can ask it, give better prompt than just account audit, and it will do it for you. So yeah, a lot of good things, and it also prepared for us presentation, so you can discuss it with your team internally or send to client. So pretty cool. Pretty comprehensive account audit. And if you like this and all this recommendation, you can ask it implemented in your ad account. I will not do it right now because it's client account and I don't want to do any changes, but you can, if you're sure in this recommendation and trust Claude, you can ask it and it will implement it for you. I completely understand that you cannot trust AI to do anything in your ad account, so what I would suggest, start from small changes. For example, adjust bidding, adjust keywords, swap creatives, do small changes, and as you gain more confidence, you can ask it to do like more holistic changes in your accounts. Let's try different analysis. Let's do search term analysis. Okay, it's done with search term analysis. Let's have a look at these. So I'll give you overall analysis which marketer would do. Highlight the top 20 wasted search terms. And if you like this recommendation, you can ask to implement these changes, and it will add these two negatives. It found for you high intent search terms, so you can add them to keywords. And it also suggested you campaigns, add groups, and which type to add it. Yeah. So breaks out analysis. If you like it, you can ask to implement it, and it will be live in your account in 1 minute. Okay, now I also show you how you can schedule tasks in Google and Meta Ads in code, so it will run almost on autopilot. For example, you can get everyday list of top 3 issues across hundreds of accounts in your agency. Also, term cleanup will be done by itself like every Wednesday or something like this. Let me show you how you can do that. Firstly, you go to cowork. It's here in code. Then schedule new task. For example, search terms cleanup. Yeah, and you can schedule something like have a look at my search terms every day, identify which I need to add to negatives, identify which I need to promote to keywords, and it's important to note here that you need to do this via Ryze AI MCP. Because in this way it will have an access to your Google and Meta Ads account and also do actions in your ad account. And I choose this scheduled task because I want to show that it can not only generate beautiful reports by itself every day, but also autonomously execute all actions. And here you can choose you want to execute it hourly, daily, or weekly. For example, I want to make it weekly every Thursday. Perfect. Now such terms will be cleaned up. By the rules, I typically do it manually in Excel every Thursday. This is example of scheduled task I do for clients in my agency. So it's I think I run maybe hundreds of, and we have pretty sizable portfolio of our own clients, and they all managed almost on autopilot.